Grouping in Airtable allows you to organize and view your data by specific fields, making it easier to analyze and manage large data sets. Here's how to group data in Airtable. Open your table. Navigate to the base and table where you want to group your data. Select the grouping option. At the top of your table, click the Group button. This will open a drop-down list of fields in your table. Choose the field to group by. Select the field to group by. This will arrange your records in collapsible groups based on the values of that field. Customize grouping. Airtable automatically groups records by the chosen field, displaying a collapsible section for each unique value. You can group by more than one field by clicking Group By again and selecting an additional field, allowing you to create nested groups. Expand and collapse groups. To view or hide the grouped records, click the drop-down arrow next to a group name to expand or collapse the section. Sorting within groups. You can sort records within each group by clicking the column header and selecting a sorting option.